English is very common language.
Drawbacks, I don't see any body language or human interaction.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, ji bachao.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I am Aziz Ahmed, assistant professor, Zabist.
I just wanted to ask you a few questions. Can you please tell me your initial thoughts on one word, one language?
Personally, you see, I'm not for this. One word, one language, because I have seen your questions first, but I don't think so. Any particular language or any one language can represent human interaction. One word, one language can be done, I think, only by body language or human interaction. When you see, when one Japanese or one English speaking person interact, they can, if they are seeing each other and if they are in touch with each other, they can interact with body language, and naturally they can understand each other. But any particular language, I don't think so it can be done.
Okay, sir. Can you please describe me some benefits of universal language?
I just said it cannot be done, so I'm not for this. It's my opinion.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, ji beta.
What are your thoughts about English as the global language?
English is more suitable as an international language, but I don't think so it can be a global language. I'm not for this, but in current scenario, English is doing good as a global human interaction. It can be a good.
Sir, can you please tell me the benefits of universal language?
Personally, I don't see any benefit because it's against culture diversity. Language is an indicator and very important element of different cultures. Assume that we have only one language or universal language, or we don't have much regional languages or international languages. It will hurt culture. So I'm not for this. I don't think so it can be possible, and I don't for this, and I don't support this idea.
According to your thoughts, what are the drawbacks of English language?
Drawbacks, I don't see any drawbacks because it connects people, it connects different regions, it connects, it's globally accepted, and mostly in many regions it can be understood, it can be used. So I don't see any drawbacks even in other languages. How good you are in different languages, it's more beneficial for any person to seek knowledge of different regions, different cultures, different even religions. So it's good.
My name is Misam and I am currently studying in Zabist University and doing BESAF.
Could you please tell me what is the impact of one language on international trade and business?
I think nowadays English is very common language, as you see worldwide, as well as in our country. Many of people speaks English. If you go in any office, institute, the English language is required. So I think it's very easy to do business in this language.
My name is Riyaz Zulfikar and I'm from Zabist University. I'm doing BSA from here.
What do you think the role of technology in replacing a universal language?
I think the translating technology is play a very vital role because with the passage of time we see there's a lot of softwares like AI, ChatGPT and Google Translator. So they are coming to the market. So due to this, I think the use of language is becoming decreased day by day because with using that we translate any language into whatever we want. So I think it is a positive thing. The technology decreases the chances of learning languages. Like if we wanted to learn or if we wanted to understand any language, we understand within a minute.
Okay, Misam, could you please tell me, do language barriers hinder global communication?
Yes, language barrier hinder global communication. like it create misunderstandings due to language difference, like in trade.
How important is language in shaping our cultural identity?
I think the culture and the identity is linked with each other. Like I think if you wanted to express yourself, if you want to tell someone that how you are, so and who you are, the other person will judge you on your language. I think so. Like for example, if we see Pakhtun, they are speaking between us in Pashto. So by listening them, we understand that yes, they are Pathans, and they are. If like the second example is if we are Punjabi, if we're talking with someone in Punjabi. So then we understand that yeah, this is a Punjabi. So I think the culture and the language are linked, and they are very close to each other.